hours 27. 2. Accessibility. 0 hours 27 minutes and 19 seconds. 0 hour. Capture. Stop recording. Decrease. Decrease. Accessibility volume set to 36%.
What's it looking like in there? It's baffled. We might not be cutting this thing apart today. Cool. Got this thing open now. I'm working on it. Need some more cutting. Luckily this thing's soft plastic, so I just pushed it on the ground, coursed the pliers on it, squeezed the sides in. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give that tank?
It's dirty. It's very dirty.
Alright, is this in frame?
Yes. Don't splash yourself in the face with it.
Keep saying these awful things today. Fuel tank's dirty, plugged up screen. Man, this thing is put together. Credit to Onan. You sure you don't want one of these on the boat?
Not big enough. You see?
Oh.
You're trying to cut through the whole filter. Not just cut through plastic.
Well, it'll be opened up for me. Alrighty.
On the outside of that.
Oh goodness.
Feel down in the cup.
Yeah, check that out. It is gross.
Yeah.
Hope we didn't cook that new fuel pump.
Well, it's under warranty.
Oh, it's all fine and dandy. Can they warranty it? Yeah, that fuel filter is cooked before I cut it.
That was brand new on the box.
Yeah, brand new.
Don't move there. Lots.
Yeah. I'm gonna go put these tools away. So what's our next game plan on it?
Unknown at this time.
Alright. I guess we'll do a part 2 to this. You guys be careful. God bless.